My dear student. So let's see past paper questions related to perimeter and area lessons, right? Past paper questions related to perimeter and area lessons. Then I'm going to take 2024, 2025 O-level maths paper, right? එකෙන් පටන් ගමු. අද target එක අද target එක නෙවෙයි මේ වීඩියෝ එකේ target එක perimeter and area lessons, right? Let's try to get the full marks for this question, right? Let's try to get the full marks for this question, right? Then I'm quickly moving to first one. පළවෙනි එකට යනවා පැටිකෝ. 2024 2025 O level paper, right? Let's consider the perimeter and area part. Perimeter and area, right? Yes. පොඩි කෙක්ෂන් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. චූටි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. Yes, look at this one. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ perimeter and area. 2024 2025 O level. This figure consists of a semicircular part AEB of diameter 28 centimeter and rectangular part ABCD with the length BC and equals to 77 centimeter. Find the perimeter of this composite figure. Find the perimeter of this composite figure, right? Yes, find the perimeter of this composite figure. So that means first you need to find the arc length AEB. How to find the arc length AEB 2024 2025 O level. 2024 25 O level, right? How to find the arc length AEB. AEB arc length equals to 2 pi r into theta over 360, right? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by r means lamai. What is the r? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by r means this one equals to 28. Diameter 28. 28 divided by 2 lamai 14, right? 14 into theta means 180 over 360. 180 over 360. Right, very good. 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7, 2. 180 divided by 181. 360 divided by 182. Then 2 to 2 cancelled out. So that means lamai 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 44 centimeter is the arc length of AEB. Arc length of AEB lamai. Then how many centimeters? 44 centimeter is the arc length of AEB. Then find the perimeter of this composite figure. So that means 44 plus 77 plus 28 plus 77. 44 plus 77 plus 77 plus 28. Then you can find down the perimeter. Okay, Nelamai. Right, then you can find down the perimeter. That perimeter, yes, you can find down the perimeter. That is the answer for the first question. Try to get the answer, right? Answer එක ගන්න පැටියෝ. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 8, 16. Remaining 1, 5, 12, 19, 20 and 21. 216 centimeter, right? Remaining 1, 12, 19, 20 and 21. 216 centimeter, right? 216 centimeter. Look at the second one, right? You all look at the second one, right? Second subquestion. How many times how many times of the area of the semicircular part is the area of the rectangular part? How many times of the area? First, we need to find down the area of the semicircular part. First, we need to find down the area of the semicircular part. First, we need to find down the area of the semicircular part. How to find down the area of the semicircular part? 5r squared. 5r squared into theta over 360. 5 means lamai 22 over 7 into 28 is the diameter, 14 is the radius. 14 into 14 into theta means 180 over 360. 180 over 360. 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7, 2. 180 divided by 181. 360 divided by 182. Then 2 to 2 cancelled out. 22 multiplied by 14. 22 multiplied by 14. 22 multiplied by 14. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 10 to 2. So that means Lamai 308. 308 square centimeters. 308 square centimeters, right? 308 square centimeters. 28, 20. Okay, Nilamai. Then we need to find down the area of the rectangle part. දැන් හොයන්න ඕන area එක මොන part එකේද? Rectangle part. How to find down the area of the rectangle part? 77 multiplied by 28. Area of the rectangle part 77 multiplied by 28. Then how many times you need to divide area of the rectangle by area of the semicircle? Area of the rectangle divide by area of the semicircle. Both side we can divide by 11. 77 divide by 11, 7. 308 divide by 7, 28. 7 divided by 7, 1. 28 divided by 7, 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 28 divided by 4, 7. So that means how many times, Lamai? How many times? 7 times. How many times? 7 times. How many times? 7 times. How many times? 7 times, Lamai. Okay, neither. So that means Lamai 308 divide by, yes, right? Then we can do this one. Okay, ne? Right. Quickly do this one. Takkala video, hurry up. Quickly do this one. Right, okay. Then we can quickly move to the next question, Lamai. What is the next one? 2023, 2024, ne? 2023, 2024. Then you can pause the video. Then you can check your answers. Mata kaling karan lamai. Try to complete this one before me. Then you can check your answers, right? Yes. Try to complete that one before me. Mata kaling karan your answers, right? Yes. Then we can quickly move to the next paper. Let's quickly move to the next one. Hurry up. Okay, there. Right. Okay, the lamai. Right. Okay. Then we can quickly move to the next paper. 2024, 2023, 2023, 2024 O level. 2023, 2024 O level. Right. Okay. Yes. The figure shows a vegetable plot consisting of a right angle triangle, right? 2023, 2024. A figure shows a vegetable plot consisting of a right angle triangular piece of a land ABC and the piece of ACD in the shape of a sector of circle of center angle 90 degree. AD equals to 7 meters. AD equals to 7 meters, right? If a fence is built along the boundary of the sector ACD from C to D, find the length of the face, right? If a fence is built along the boundary sector ACD from From C to D. From C to D. If a fence is built along the boundary of the sector ACD from C to D, find the length of the fence. Find the length of the fence means ළමයි arc length. ඒ කියන්නේ arc length නේ. Right? මෙහෙමනේ ළමයි. Right? ඔන්න බැරියෝ. This is the arc length, right? This is the arc length. So that means 7 meters means this is the arc length. 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. This is the arc length. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Arc length. Question number 1. Question number 1, lamai. CD length. So that means CD length equals to 2 pi r into theta over 360. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by r into theta means 90 over 360. 90 over 360. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. 9 divided by 9, 1. 36 divided by 9, 4. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And 11. So that means, Lamai, how many centimeters? How many meters? 11 meter is the length of CD. 11 meter is the length of fence, right? 11 meter is the length of that fence. 11 meter තමයි length එක. Okay නේ? 11 meter is the length of fence, right? Right, okay. Look at this one. ටක් Okay, ළමයි. Right, then I'm quickly moving to the next one. මම යන අපිට ඊළඟ එකට. Right, very good. So that means 11 centimeter is the fence. Right, okay neda. Look at the second question, right? Look at the second question, right? Look at the second question, lamai. Right, okay, then I'm going to share the screen with you. Look at the second question. Find the area of a piece of the land ACD. ACD. What is the land? Area of the land ACD. Area of the land ACD means ACD is a sector. ඒ කියන්නේ sector එකක්. Area ACD means sector. Area ACD means sector. Area equals to 5r squared into theta over 360. 5 into r into 90 over 360. Right? 90 over 360. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 1 and 4. 22 divided by 2, 11. 2 divided by 2, 2. So that means, lamai, 77 divided by 2. 77 divided by 2, 38 square meters. Right? Yes, 38.5 square meters. Then what is the area of the sector, Patio? What is the area of the sector? 38.5. Okay, ne? What is the area of the sector? 38.5 square meters. Right, very good. Let's quickly move to the next one. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right? Yes. Okay, the next one. If the area of the piece of land, if the area of the piece of land ABC is 42, find the length of BC. Find the length of BC. Right? Find the length of BC. If the area of the land is 42, that means, lamai, this triangle, area of this triangle equals to 42. Area of this triangle equals to 42, right? Area of this triangle equals to 42. Then 42 means half into AC into BC equals to 42. Half into AC means 7 into BC equals to 42. Division 2 moving to other side, multiply by 2, division converting to multiplication, dividing both side by 7 lamai. 7 divided by 7 1, 42 divided by 7 6. So that means BC equals to 12 meters. BC equals to 12 meters. BC equals to 12 meters. Right? Yes, BC equals to 12 meters. Last one, look at the last one, Lamai Antimeka. It is required to adjoin a rectangular piece of land outside the vegetable plot with BC as one side. With BC as one side. Then we need to join a rectangle part with BC as one side. Me? With BC as one side. So BC means 12 meter as one side. Now we need to join a rectangle. Rectangle එකක් join කරන්න තියෙනවා. BC as a one side. Right? Of area 3 times the area of piece of the land in the shape of the sector. Right? 3 times the area of the sector. Then we need to find the width of the rectangular piece. Right? Measurement, you need to mention measurements on itself. 3 times the area of sector. What is the area of the sector? What is the area of the sector? What is the area of the sector? 3 times the area of the sector. What is the area of the sector? 38.5. 3 times. ඒ වගේ 3 ගුණයක්. එහෙමනේ නේද? අන්න ළමයි. So that means, right? Yes, area of the rectangular part adjoint means so 3 times. 3 times. ඒ වගේ 3 ගුණයක්. එතකොට මගේ පැටියෝ 38.5 38.5 multiplied by 3. 38.5 multiplied by 3. 38.5 multiplied by 3. 3 times equals to 12 into, I'm going to take that one as y. 12 into y. Then divide both sides by 12. 12 to 12 patas. 1 and 4. 38.5 divide by 4. 38.5 divide by 4. 9 into 4, 36. 2.5 means 6. 10 means 2. 20 means lamai 5, so that means 9.625 meters. 9.625 meters. So that means 9.625 meters. Okay, Nilamai? Right. Okay. Then we need to indicate those measurements in that figure, right? We need to indicate those measurements in that figure. Then we need to indicate 9.625. 9.625 meters, right? 9.625 meters. 9.625 meters. Right, okay, let's quickly move to the next one. Piano petty later, right? Let's quickly move to the next one, right? Taggalana ilanga vedeta. Then lamai, what is the next one? 2023, 2024, right? Okay, ne? Are you clear with that one, no? Clear, ne? Right? Yes. Quickly do this one. Pankana patio. Okay, the lamai. Right. Okay. Let's quickly move to the next one. Taggalamu ilang වැඩේට. Right. Okay. Look at the next one. 2022, 2020. 2022, 2023. 2022, 2023 O-level maths paper. Right? 2022, 2023 O-level maths paper. That one is easy. ඒක ලේසි. Right. The rectangular plot of land length 30 meters and breadth 14 meter represented by A, C, D, F in the figure is divided into two equal parts by the line. This one equals to 14 centimeter. Right? Yes, two equal parts means lamai 15. Right? A, C, D, F figure divided into two equal parts by BE. So this one equals to 15. A, B, G, E, F has been allocated for a swimming pool. So this is the swimming pool, Lamai. Right? B, G, E, semicircle portion on it, the shaded region has been allocated for a lawn. Find the radius of the semicircular portion. This one equals to 14. This one equals to 14. 14 divided by 2 patio. What is the radius? පට්ට ලේසිනේ. ඊයලමයි වැඩන්නේ. 14 divided by 2. What is the radius? What is the radius, lamai? 14 divided by 2. What is the radius? Yes, 2022, 23 O level. 7 meters. What is the answer for the first one? 7 meters. What is the radius of the semicircular portion, lamai? 7 meters. What is the radius of the semicircular portion? 7 meters. Find the perimeter of the portion allocated for the swimming pool. Find the perimeter of the portion allocated for the swimming pool. Right? Perimeter of the portion allocated for the swimming pool. Right? So this is the swimming pool part. මේකනේ swimming pool part එකනේ. Yes. Right? First we need to find down the arc length 25r into theta over 360. Arc length එක හොයන්න ඕන. Arc length means lamai that curve line. අර curve line එක පැටියෝ. Arc length means this curve line. මෙන්න මෙයා BEG curve line. 7 and 180. 7 and 180. 2 into 5 into R into 180 over 360. So that means lamai 7 to 7 cancelled and 2 divided by 2. So that means 22 meters. Arc length equals to 22 meters. Arc length lamai 22 meters. Arc length එක පැටියෝ 22. 22 plus 15 plus 15 plus 14. 22 plus 15 plus 15 plus 14. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Remaining 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 22 plus 15 plus 15 plus 14. I are equal by dividing into two equal parts. එතකොට පැටියෝ මෙතන කීයද? So what is the length? This one equals to 30 means half 15. And perimeter of the portion of the swimming pool 66. Find the area of the portion allocated for the swimming pool. Now they're asking the area. So what is the area? Lamai. Look at this one, Maybellan. Area. First we need to find the area of this portion. මෙන්න මේ ටික. First we need to find the area of this portion. 14 multiplied by 15. Area ළමයි 14 multiplied by 15. 15 into 4, 60 remaining 6, 21, 210 square meters. 15 into 14, 210 square meters. Then you need to find down the area of, ඊට පස්සේ හොයන්න ඕන, what is the area of semicircular portion? What is the area of semicircular portion? Then we need to find down the area of semicircular portion. 5r squared into theta over 360. 22 over 7 into r means lamai. 7 into half ne. 7 into half. 7 to 7 cancelled out. 2 divided by 2, 1. 22 divided by 2, 11. 11 into 7 lamai. 77 square meters. Then what is the total area equals to 210 plus 77? 287 square meters. Total area equals to 287 square meters. Total area equals to 287 square meters. Then look at the next one, lamai. Then banapati ilang එක, right? Look at the last one. If it is required to adjoin a rectangular plot, එකම විදිහනේ ළමයි. If it is required to adjoin a rectangular plot which is equal to the area of the portion allocated for lawn. Allocated for lawn, that means shaded region. අහගන්න, we need to create a rectangular plot, right? Rectangular plot. So DC should be equals to one side. DC means 14. That area equals to that shaded part. First, we need to find down the area of the shaded part. First, we need to find down the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part means, lamai, area of the shaded part means rectangle minus swimming pool. Neda, rectangle minus swimming pool. So what is the area of the swimming pool? 287. What is the area of the rectangle? That full rectangle, or a sampurna rectangle, like 30 multiplied by 14. 30 multiplied by 14. Right? 14 multiplied by 30. Remaining 1, 4. 420. Then 420 minus 280. 10 minus 7, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 133 square meters. 133 square meters is the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. ඒ කියන්නේ shaded region area එක. හරිනේ පැඩියෝ? Shaded region. Right? Area of the portion, right? Okay, equal to area of the portion allocated for the lawn. With DC as one side. DC should be equals to one side. DC should be equals to one side. DC one side වෙන්න ඕන. That means ළමයි DC 14 meters, and we need to take that one as x. 14 into x equals to 133. Then divide both sides by 14. Then we can find the value of, yes, then we can find the right value of x. Right? Quickly do this one. ඉක්මනට කරන්න. Then we can find the value of x. Right? Quickly do this one. Then we can find the value of x. Right? 2023, 2023 and in 2022 English medium, right? Quickly do this one, compare decimal and then we need to do the decimal part, right? Yes, decimal parts are there, right? Quickly do this one, taggala karan. Decimal, yes. 133 divided by 14. 133 divided by 14. What is the answer? Right? Try to complete this one before me. Mata kaling karanna. Just try to complete this one before me. Hurry up. Right? 133, 14, 13, no 9. 9 into 4, 36, remaining 3 and 12. 7, 7.0 means lamai 5. 5 into 427. 9.5. So that means lamai 9.5 meters. You need to mark that one on the figure, right? Figure ke mark karan ඕන 9.5 meters. හරිනේ? Okay නේද? Right, very good. Area, very easy lamai. Just try to complete this one. This is the paper discussion regarding the area and perimeter lesson, right? If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message. මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න ළමයි. If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message 0717574679. Then bye bye. Have a great day.